Hello guys, this is A-Tix and you are welcome to my Rollin Session. I'm a music producer, songwriter, engineer, DJ. My roommate in school actually gave me that name. We were like supposed to have a jersey in my department in 100 level. So I didn't want to write Ayo, which is my name. So one of my roommates was like, Haystixx now. So yeah. Okay, so I would say passionate, energetic, and then a visionary. It was one song, I don't know if that song ever came out. The guy just reached out to me to make a song and he paid me 8,000. I was happy to do it. That's actually like a very broad question for me. Because I feel like I can do anything I want as long as I'm sitting down on my laptop. So asking who inspired my sound, I don't know, it's a lot. Because my dad is a musician, so I could say that. My dad makes a lot of good music. I could say that then. Yeah, a lot. Sunny Ade. I know these answers are weird, but yeah. Sunny Ade, then obviously SARS. I love SARS. And my present sound, the one I'm on right now, I will still say it is those old sounds. Like I'm this old head guy. To teleport actually. Yes, so I can travel to anywhere I want without stress. I think I'll change. This might get me cancelled, but I think I'll change Godfatherism. That's the problem. Music is work, music is the stress, and music is still the relaxation. So. Yeah, I think a little bit of PS5. No. I use loops sometimes, but I don't steal people's stuff. Right now, okay. I would say Olamide, Fola. Right now, people should not kill me. Olamide, Fola, and then Burna Boy. Right now, it will be Olamide. So I just transfer my emotions into sounds, whatever I'm feeling at the moment, you know, madness. I did once, and then, yeah, with my temperament, I think it is not advisable. Not really. I think I can do myself. I think you already know. Madness. Yeah, I have a new EP out called Beyond the Sticks. And basically why I dropped that EP is because I feel like people don't really understand me. People don't understand what I do behind the scene. And that is why it is Beyond the Sticks. You understand? Like I just go beyond producing. I mix all my songs. I write a lot for my artists. I co-write with a lot of them. So yeah, Beyond the Sticks. 5 songs. I think Lose the Fiesta. It is the weirdest song on the project. That's why I like it. I have Samad, you already know, and then I have Rayona, Fire. I would say all of them were easy, but like I'll still say normally, because I had to send Purple Sky like 3 beats, I think 2 or 3, before he could pick one. Quickest, I think Amen, the intro sounds complex, but like it was very fast. Everybody was inside the studio, so we're just like, apart from Dora, she was not with us, but yeah, it was very fast. I was on my bed, I was like, what will an intro sound like? And then I was just singing Amen, Amen in my head. I just went to the studio, made it, sent it out to the guys. Yep, I have a challenge coming very, very, very soon. People are always like attacking me on TikTok that I'm always making music with people that have motion already. And the funniest part is that actually like most of the guys they claim I work with that have motion, I produced their first song. Like the first song you know that blew up, I produced it. So now I just want to put a beat out. If you can make something crazy with it, we'll drop the song together. So you don't have to accuse me again now. It will be me accusing you of not being able to deliver. You get? I met Samad on TikTok. He just sent me a DM. But I've already seen his page before. I didn't follow his account. So when he DM'd me, I already know, like I know this guy. So he was like, bro, I heard you're in Ibadan. I said, yeah, I'm in IB. So let's link up. I started working from there. Yeah, fun. He's a very creative guy. I think he's one of the few artists that I can describe as hardworking. Very few artists that can describe as hardworking. Are you expecting more joint projects? Yes, definitely. Now, like we have like hundreds of songs. Oble, Ocho, Afrobeats. Night. A drummer. I was a drummer for a lot of years before I decided to like. Yeah. I think it is singing. Yes, and I want to keep it hidden. Something with, I don't know, maybe we'll just put this out to the universe, but something with Metro Boomin. Yeah, I don't know all those things. Let me know if like. Oh, sorry, it's the English that I had no ear. Anyone know, like, as long as it is work and it is going to pay, anyone. Eba. In a weird way, stage. So apples, basically. Apples. It out. Game of Thrones. That would be hard though. I normally don't rate people like that. But I would still say it will still be Olamide actually. Like, but it will be hard. I normally don't rate people like that. You just enter half. That kind of thing. That's the name of our record label. That kind of thing. Write songs, I beg, write. Hey, I was long. No, it's 100 level. I think 300 level when someone broke my heart. A famous person, still, let me not say bad, let me just say Haystixx. I think I read it in a book. A cough in the road is not the end of the road unless you fail to make the bend or cough. My phone. My sister, my big sister. The first person around in the studio. Favorite social media. TikTok. Hey, I don't do it. I say no. That one is Kaya setup. Probably one of the greatest producers around the world, not only Nigeria. That would be Munch. Haystixx, feeling you. Okay, yeah, maybe it was. Let me see. I think someone still sent me something weird yesterday. I think it is someone here telling me to sign them in my label, and I don't know. Maybe that kind of thing record label. Yes, I'll only not reply if I feel like you are not worth the time. But if I feel like you are worth the time, I'll reply you. Because I feel like I have bad mouth just as the next person. I'll not buy anything, I'll keep it. Like there's really nothing I'm like crazy about right now. Yeah, I'll buy 2 cars the same color. I'll give it to my parents. I think that would be Idua by Anu. After producing that song, I think I played it for like maybe 20 times that night. Anu, Idua by Anu. I don't want to lie. I don't want to be all this like music producer that will tell you that they did one thing for 24 hours and stuff. I would say it is just a beat, a personal beat. It was not a song. If I'm producing a song, I most likely know where I'm going straight, so I just. Idabasi is Samad. I made that beat in like 20-30 minutes. No, madness. I'll probably not be successful with it because I will be trying to impress you. And when I'm trying to impress people, I don't make anything that makes sense, at least to me. So I'll probably just do something weird that you probably not like, and I will like it. Hi everyone, my name is Haystixx. I'm a music producer, DJ, songwriter, engineer, and I just completed my Rollin Session. I hope you don't like. Sorry, I hope you like it.